Alright guys, so I'm about to start vlogging. I'm very nervous. If any Karens try to knock my head off, you guys already know. What is up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video, man. Today's video is going to be kind of crazy. Well, I don't know about kind of crazy, but it's like my first time vlogging here in town, and this town is so small and judgmental, but I don't blame them because I don't think it's normal for people to be walking around vlogging themselves or talking on the camera, especially on this big ass camera, bro. Look. Alright. Y'all see that camera? Hold on. Alright, look at the camera, bro. Y'all see how big the freaking camera is? Yeah, bro. I mean, it's not that big of a camera, but maybe I'm just tripping. I'm just not used to vlogging like that, but it does help that I'm gonna be wearing a mask. Check out the fit. PSG's, you know, with the Daredevil shirt. But, of course, in the thumbnail, you guys see that we are talking about the Off-White Cinco's right there. Yes, sir, came in, retail gang. Trust me, bro, I'm not always retail gang. Yeah, it's not always retail game. I wish it was, but I really want to get a selfie stick, but at Target, I need one super bad. But at the same time, Topps just told me that if I hold the camera by the lens, that it helps, and it really does help. It actually looks pretty good. Like, look how far I could extend my arm out. Woo! But anyway, man, we're gonna go and do some shit. I gotta go pick up some Yeezys from my little brother's crib. I got a DOT physical for work. So, I know, sounds like a great time. But hey, man, come on, join the ride. And then we're going to review the Off-White 5s at the end of the video. So if you want to skip to the end of the video, you're more than welcome to skip to the end of the video. We're going to open them up and see what they look like, see what I think about them. Maybe compare them to the Off-White black 5s that I got right. And this thing right here, look. Woo! Oh my God, bruh. Look at that shoe. Yeah, the shoe's cool, man. I don't know. It's a nice shoe, bro. It's cool. It's a cool shoe. It's a cool shoe. Especially for the price that those that the sales are going for. That price, I would definitely pull the trigger. If you're even thinking about it, pull the trigger, because by the end of the week, the prices are gonna go up. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. But let's go get some damn coffee. Let's get this vlog started. Before I take off and vlog, I want to give this place a call. They're like 3 hours away in Wichita, Kansas, and I'm gonna see what their most hype sneaker is. I might buy it. I don't know. If we get to 30, well, nah, I need to get a better. If we get to 50 likes on this video, which I don't think is gonna happen by the end of the week, I'll pull up to this place and we'll check it out and see if we make a deal. I'm gonna call them right now. I really don't even know what they have, or if they have anything in stock in a 9. I don't know. We'll call. We'll see what's up. Let's see if they answer.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man? I was looking your guys' shop up on Google, and I seen that. Are you guys still open, or?
Yeah, I'm open 1 to 6 today.
1 to 6, bro. Cool. Cause I have like a YouTube channel, and I wanted to like go in there and see if it was worth the trip. I wanted to see like what your most hype sneaker you have, like for in a size 9 or 9.5. If you had anything.
You said a 9 or 9.5?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll be super honest with you. It has been a really slow month just in terms of releases and such. I actually had a dude who just came in recently, grabbed almost every single size 9 I had, and I don't get a whole bunch of 9.5s.
Dang. So you really don't have anything in it?
Dudes come in and they're like, "Bet, let me get all 5 pairs of your size 9." And I'm like, "Oh man."
Dang.
People coming in pretty hot, yeah.
Yeah,
sure. I mean, I'm pretty low right now on inventory because there hasn't been shit for releases or anything.
Oh, dang. Yeah, alright. Well, man, I might check back with you then, bro, by the end of this week.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I mean, I should be restocking and such in the next week, 2 weeks, just for, like, Christmas time and stuff. So it's definitely that time right now, for sure.
Alright, bro. Alright, bet, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yep, no worries, bro. Thank you. Have a good one, buddy.
Yeah, you too, man. Laters, bro. Dang it, man. So it looks like the homie's low on inventory. I don't know. If we get to 50 likes, bro, I'm going to have to figure something out, some kind of content for you guys for me to do. But let's get on with the vlog. I just thought about this right now. So I did drink a little bit of beer last night when we were on the live, but I do got to go take a piss for the DOT physical. So I better drink some water too. High quality H2O, bro. Car wash, my freaking mirror just got kicked out. Ugh. Fuck. Oh my god, bro, look, got wet. I hate whenever you go into the car wash and then it hits the mirror and it flings back out. But anyway, who would have thought the next thing would have been at the car wash, right? Yeah, I don't know. I think at this point I'm just trying to find something to do. But if you guys have never tried Scooter's coffee, I just got my coffee right now. I know I just chugged some freaking water, and I got the car wash guy just staring at me like a freaking creep. We're probably going to be looking for look, I want to record this guy. Look at him. Yeah, bro. Quit looking at me like a creep, bro. Jesus Christ. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Target right now after this car wash, and then we're gonna get a selfie stick. Then I'm gonna go do a review on the Off-White 5s. And yeah, man, last night we had a pretty cool talk on my channel. We had a live. If you guys don't want to miss these lives, make sure you guys have your notification bells turned on so you guys don't miss the lives. We talked about the Off-Whites and how they're super low on the resale market right now. But anyway, man, we were talking about the Off-White 5s, right? Me and Dirty's Got Soul, Topps World, we were in there. It was pretty cool, man. Shout out to those guys for pulling up. If you guys don't follow them, go ahead and look them up. It's TOPZ World. And Dirty's Got Soul is just like Dirty's Got Soul. That's all you gotta type in. But we're just talking about how I really do believe that the Off-Whites were, I think there's a lot of stock in the Off-Whites now. I think like before it was way more limited. I think that people did, I think maybe Nike didn't know how people were going to react to a OG being deconstructed. I think now that they know that a lot of people are buying them, well, if they put out more stock, then Virgil makes more money, Nike makes more money, and Nike makes more money, so therefore they raise the stock, and that's probably why we have more pairs. Might be why it's so much cheaper now to get an Off-White than prior, whenever they were going for over $1,000. Like some of the OGs are still going for over $1,000, you know, the UNC Jordan 1s. And I mean, the Jordan 1 is a very iconic shoe. But yeah, like the Chicagos are going for like $5 grand and shit like that. Like, I think that now Off-Whites aren't as limited. So I believe that's why the prices are what they are on the 5s right now, on the Fire Red 5s. People call them the sales, but you know, let's call them what they are. They're Fire Red 5s. The black pair is the metallics. But you know, that's what I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys want to check out that live, go ahead and go back video before this one, and you guys will be able to watch the live and just kind of see what we're talking about. Just did the DOT physical. Take a piss in the cup. Alright guys, so I'm about to start vlogging. I'm very nervous. I don't know how people are gonna take it, seeing me with the camera inside the store. Small town, so if any Karens try to knock my head off, you guys already know. I'm hella nervous, but I feel like I gotta get past this point. We're at over 1,000 subs, and I'll tell myself when I get to 500 subs, I'll start vlogging in public. And we're already at 1,000 subs, and I still ain't comfortable vlogging in public. So we're gonna try it out. Luckily, Target looks kind of dead. I'm just gonna go in there and get a selfie stick, and then after I get the selfie stick, we're gonna look at the shirts, because I want to show you guys that they have some pretty cool, decent shirts in Target. You don't have to spend nothing crazy to look good, man. You can still be stylish and be on a budget. Target is pretty cheap. I think they got like some pretty cool shirts for like $12. So we're gonna go look at that. You guys see the kicks? Good old Target. So I want to show you guys the clothing section. It's hella slipped on, bro. Like, so slipped on. Look, man. Flannels. Right now, flannels are in, bro. Like, they're kind of pricey though. $27, that's kind of a lot of money. Let me show you guys these t-shirts real quick. So $12.99. Bunch of graphic tees. You got AC/DC. Very affordable. I just picked up one of these t-shirts right here in a large. Wow, bro. I was looking for this shirt forever, and they never had it in my size, and now they do, and I picked it up in Kansas City. just my luck. Anyways, they got the Tupac t-shirt. I might pick this up. They got a large, some Ice Cube, large. I don't know if I want an Ice Cube shirt though, to be honest. Then they got a lot of like heavy metal bands. They got the Beatles. This is actually a pretty cool shirt. They do have a large. I'll pick this one up. Let's pick this one up right here. Put this back. They got some more tees right there. They got some Bob Marley t-shirts. Let me see if they got a large. They got a large in this too. Definitely pick this up. See what else they got over here. I already got that one. Patrick, Rick and Marty. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what they got here. I think the only selfie stick that they got is this one, and that's for a phone, I think. This is actually pretty cool. It looks like it wraps around and stuff. Will this work on this camera, do you think? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it should work.
Yeah. So
the only thing I'm worried about is this being like too flimsy for the weight of the camera.
Why don't we pull it out and look at it?
Hey, Clinton,
I mean, if you're gonna buy it anyway, let's just cut it open.
Cool, man. That works. Because I bought one from Amazon, but it just like broke.
Yeah, just bent over on you.
Yeah. So I was just like, oh man. So
yeah, the more stuff you stick on, you put a bigger lens. The microphone, I don't know how heavy that is, but the more
it's gonna bend. Yeah.
Then it may not work so well.
Oh yeah, I think it'll work. Yeah, I think it works good. Yeah, I like it. I'll take it. Yeah.
Cool, good.
Sweet,
now we know.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
See, that worked out, man. That we could take it out and try it on.
Yeah.
Well, hey, man, I appreciate your guys' help.
Yeah, if you're gonna get the PS5, order pickup at midnight.
I'm gonna try. I will try.
A whole lot of people ask. Not a lot of people ask that, so.
So they might not. So you might have plugged me in then.
Yeah.
All right.
So if you get one, it'd be interesting to see.
Man, yeah.
Anyone around here was able to get one like that.
That'd be good. I'd be excited, man. I have to save up a little money for it though.
Right. Yeah.
All right. See you guys. Have a good one. Well, there you guys see, man. They're actually doing PlayStation 5 here. Pretty cool. And they're actually really, really cool, man. I was able to get the selfie stick. I'm using it right now. Paid for it back here. Very friendly people. That's what I like about this small town, man. Everybody's like really friendly. There's like so many different ethnicities that live around here and stuff like that. But this selfie stick works really dope. Actually, not a bad day to vlog for my first time, especially when you got really cool people like that. So got a few t-shirts. What a super busy day. I actually had fun vlogging, man. I actually had fun. I can't even speak, bro. I actually had fun vlogging. As you guys just saw, man, those people are really cool, and I'm gonna break out of my shell and vlog a little bit more. But we got these here, and we are about to unbox the sale colorway, which is the fire red colorway. I'm gonna put these aside so we can kind of compare them. But boom, here's the box for these off-whites. I'm pretty hyped up. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I'm pretty hyped up. I don't know what to really expect. Just another cool collab with Off-White. You guys know I did hit again retail. Got so lucky. I think I am going to make a video on sharing tips and everything that I've learned throughout the last 4 years with me using the sneakers app with you guys. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section. But I think that is going to be a video that I will be doing, kind of to help you guys, all the new guys out there, to learn and to really see exactly what the sneakers app is all about and what to expect. Don't expect too much from the sneakers app, man. That's all I could say right now. If you're just getting into it, don't expect too much. But let's crack these things open. Super excited, bro. I already see the little freaking holes in it, the little Swiss cheese holes. Ay, Dios mío, size 9. The size is right. You know, we always get kind of scared whenever we pick something up crazy like this, and then we see, like, we open the box up expecting to not get the shoe because it's almost too good to be true when you hit for retail. But we hit for retail, man, and here is the shoe right here. Swiss cheese box. And then you got the size 9. Oh, Lord, bro. Size 9, my size. You guys see the color code. Price tag $225. The price was a little bit up there, but it's all worth it. honestly, in my opinion. Let me move this back a little bit. So let's open these up together. What do you guys say, man? Let me read the color code though. It is Sail Fire Red, Muslin Black, Air Jordan 5 Retro SP DH8 565-100, size 9. You guys ready? Second off-white pickup of the year, bro. We hit on the dunks and now we hit on these. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Sneakers app, bro. Man, we have a love and hate relationship, but man, you blessed me with the retail pair of the Fire Red 5s. You guys see the paper right here. Then you see the paper right here. You guys see it's got these little, the holes on the box right here on the top of the lid actually have these little covers for them. And they're right there, but it's, you know, maybe something to look for in the legit pairs. Got a little stamp over here. But man, bro, I really don't care about any of that. All I care about is the shoe. Bro, there you guys have it. Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, off-white, Sail. My goodness, bro. My freaking goodness. Oh my God. There you guys see it, man. Crazy, crazy. Crazy shoe, bro. Crazy shoe. There you guys have the Fire Red, of course. You know, you got the tag right here. And the plastic, it's in a plastic material. Sail laces. The shoe is very nice. I'm glad I hit for retail. The shoe kind of has like these little defects, so I'm not even gonna lie. Like, man, like look right here. Like it's got this little it's hanging right here, bro. Like this loose stitching right here. It has this little loose stitching right here, which is kind of weird. You got your little tag right here. The only thing that I don't like about these is the see-through right here, the little see-through circle. I could have done without that, but there you guys see the Nike Air on the back. Very cool shoe. It's already pretty yellowed on the bottom on the outsole. Just a very nice yellow. Makes it look like it's so oxidized, like it's been out for years, but that's just the wave now. Is everybody likes to see their shoes with character, so what they're doing is they're already putting that character on the sneaker without you even having to wear them. But the shoe is super nice. 23. Oh my goodness, man, this shoe is so nice. You got your little, I call this the pacifier. It kind of reminds me like a pacifier for a little baby. But you got your lace lock. You got your silver tongue with the Jumpman. And I will be doing a better review on these. I know this was more of a vlog than anything in a unboxing for these. It does come with some black and red laces. There you guys see it right there. Black and red laces. The bags are both clear. No Jumpman on the bags. If that helps you out, legit check your pair. Overall, I am very, very happy. Super happy. So I'm very happy that we hit for retail. This has been one of the best years for me. You guys know we didn't hit on these for retail. These I picked up off of StockX. Let me know what you guys think, man. Fire Reds versus Metallics. I think I gotta go with the Metallics on this one. But yeah, let me know which one you guys like the best. Let me know if you like the Metallics, or let me know if you like the Fire Reds. The shoe is very nice, like I was saying, and I'm very fortunate to hit for retail. I'm happy that I got both in the collection, both off-whites, blacks, and the reds. Let me know if you guys liked the content today. Bro, I think I'm bringing some good content to the table, and make sure you guys share the content. You guys know we did pick up a couple t-shirts. We picked up a Bob Marley t-shirt, and then we did pick up a Beatles t-shirt as well. So we did go to Target, and we did the very first vlog on the channel in public. And I was kind of nervous, but you guys saw that I felt a little bit bitter after we did all that. But hey, man, I appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you for the support through the last year, my day ones, and everybody that's coming that's new to the channel. I appreciate all you guys, man. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite part of the vlog was. Let me know if you guys like the metallics or if you guys like the sales. What colorway would you choose if you were able to get it for free? And hey, man, I'm off to the next video. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and we're out of here. It's Jay Hernandez. Laters.